What's up, squad? We got a new rider today. It's just me and Phil though. The bike's not new to the channel, but Phil is. Master mechanic in the house. Look at him getting it. Well, this bike used to be green. This is Colby's bike. Colby left to go to work for who knows how long, couple years, couple months, you never know. So he left the bike to Phil and told Phil he could ride it whenever he wants. So of course, we had to get your boy out here on the bike. I got a feeling this channel is about to see this bike with Phil driving it more than it ever did Colby. I wonder if there's anybody up here. Last time I came up here, Lad said they had another bike up here that was parked. I don't know if the guy was just using the porta can or what. Okay. There's gotta be a way through it. We some hooligans, you know. There's gotta be a way. We're just checking on the progress of the bridge, that's all. Well, that should be like a huge freaking gap. Look at this, dude. There's bottles, there's just junk everywhere. I mean, we could ride the center beam. That, oh man, that would make a good video. I ain't about it. I ain't about it. Ah. Alright. Well, I guess let's go to the supermarket or the car wash so I can get some air. Take me to your best friend's house. Hey, can I get a high five, sir? Yeah. We need a better high five than that. Yeah. Oh, Kawabaka. Look, there's Layton and Fallon. It's 5:30. They're probably going there now. We can stop. We'll turn around and go meet them at the driveway. Or that. Yeah. Grom block. Grom block. You didn't tell me there was a car behind me. This is a citizen's arrest! Get out of the vehicle now!
Y'all riding these over there?
Is that where y'all headed?
Yeah.
Nice knowing you.
It's gonna be a minute, huh?
I mean, we're taking these.
Y'all have fun.
Oh yeah, by the way, it's Layton's birthday today. Happy birthday.
Oh, you vlogging, that's what you did.
Yeah.
Why'd you kill it? I'm about to roll up.
I'm worried about the environment.
Yeah, the environment.
You and your camera at the house. Alright, well, we're about to go get a spot, I guess.
Alright.
Because they don't take reservations. We thought they did.
Nope.
Yeah, man, what do you think this is?
What?
You could have told me this whenever I sent you the text message.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't think about it. You know they got one coming in Hammond. Where Sears used to be.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here, you go.
Alright. Oh! That probably wasn't good. Hello, sorry for acting a fool. Please don't turn around, officer. Officer, fireman! Ah! Almost went off the road, almost died! I feel like I'm losing my quarters for air. And so is this Toyota behind us. Yeah. Go say hey to this fool. Hey, you wash my bike?
Yeah.
You watch my bike? What's up, bro? Not a whole lot. Coming to get some air put in the tire? Roads, get some air in my tire. And move this headset around because it's killing my ear. We be taking these curves, yeah. I don't like taking these curves though, not too quick. Because you don't know how much gravel's been laid out from other trucks and you know. I normally try to stay in the center of these though. Whee! Bridge squad! Here come that bridge though. Alright, this is where it gets nappy and narrow. And cars come around like nobody's business. Oh, see, this bridge is perfect for these bikes. Yeah, your nuts are probably gonna hurt. I know mine would if I was riding on that bike. That seat's hard. Camp Living Waters. How you know that water ain't dead? Alright, is you ready? Yep. Go. You want me to stop traffic?
No, we can wait it up.
What up, babe? Come on. Alright, that's it. That's a wrap, Jack. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. That's cool, bro. Come back here. Whole squad on the glow up. Mustang, crowd control. Stay in your lane, little chick. Yeah, how about that seat action? Yeah, I think this is the wrong way. Oh, look at this jackrabbit. Why does everybody gotta pull out in front of me, man? Yeah, we're going the right way. Haha! This is why we don't need GPS. Ta-da! We can make a left at this next light. Oh no! Ladies and gents, we have made it to Walk-On's Bistro and Bar. We're going to go inside and say happy birthday to Leighton, and then we're going to come back out here and pop some dank wheelies and roll out.
Turn it off. You know I'm in witness protection.
Witness protection? Don't you say?
Everywhere you go, they got cameras. You know, everywhere.
Look at a camera right here in your face.
Two ball heads. No look.
Dolly Park.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
He's 18!
Happy birthday to my boy Leighton. Yeah. Alright, now if you made it this far into the video, don't forget to swipe up or something, swipe sideways, get out of this video, go to my last video, check out the Willie montage. Man, I'm trying to vlog here. swear. Go check out the Willie montage. Leave a like in it. Subscribe. We're gonna close it out on this one. Peace out. Rada Malik.